The second way to place a damper in the fitting is to do it from the item or fitting box as you're inputting. What we're going to do here is we're going to delete this fitting off the drawing. We're going to grab another piece of rectangular duct from our bin, and then we're going to go into the item box. And notice right here that we've got the fitting tab depressed automatically. And now we're going to scroll down and notice that in the list of choices we have here damper in and damper out. Damper in means we'd like to place a damper from the in joint. Damper out means we'd like to place a damper from the out joint. If we click on damper in, you're going to notice that a little dialog box is going to appear. And if we click on that dialog box, PractiCAD is going to open up a little window. And in this window, it's going to allow us to choose the damper type we want. In this particular case, we're going to say choose the VD damper. And remember, the choices there are going to be controlled by your data underneath your library. There are separate tutorials on creating dampers. Then what we're going to do is we're going to choose an orientation. We can choose whether we want this orientated on the near, top, bottom, and far. Now, one of the disadvantages of utilizing dampers here is that you actually cannot see what side that handle's on until you place this on the drawing. We cannot actually see the damper appear inside the fitting until we've pressed the OK button and placed this fitting down. So that's why the first method we show in the other tutorial, using the damper icon, is preferred. But you can do it from here on input. So what we're going to do is going to say use the orientation near. And then we need to choose the offset. If I would like the center of this damper blade to be 12 inches from the in joint, because we're using the damper in, I would set this to 12. Now we're going to press OK. Once we've done that, we've now got a fitting. And once we place it on the drawing, that fitting will come with the damper blade inside. In this particular case, it just happens to be a rod. So this is another method. If you use this method, keep in mind that after you've placed it, if you'd like to adjust it, you can go right into the damper icon on your accessory panel, click on it, then click on the fitting and just make the adjustment here. You can control the inset, outset, and you can also control the near, far to switch the handle to whichever side you'd like. So here we're going to press OK, and now we've successfully placed the damper in the second way.